Hi guys! In this video, I will show you how to fix this video is currently unavailable on Amazon Prime. So if you're having this error, then what you can do is you can head over and then check your internet connection first if you have a stable internet. And thirdly, you can also clear your cache and cookies if you're using a web browser. If on mobile apps, you can delete the app data or install it. You can also restart the device of your Prime Video app browser. And then you can also check for updates because it may actually resolve the issue. You can also use a VPN if you're traveling or in a different region. You can use VPN in order to connect to your home country if you want or to other country. This can help bypass your restriction that may cause content to be unavailable. Alternatively, you can also create a new user profile that can resolve this access issue. For the last resort, you're going to contact Amazon support in order to fix this. So this is how you fix this video is currently unavailable on Amazon Prime. Hope we helped.